What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to create the multiple profiles in Firefox. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do over here is go to this window and give the right click and click this one. And after that, you can start to put the keyword like this, firefox.exe, give the space and give the stripe and P or letter P in uppercase. And after that, you can continue to click OK. Well, this will be the section that you can use to create the profile, rename the profile, or delete the profile. For example, here I would like to create the profile for this Firefox. Well guys, basically the purpose to create this profile in the Firefox is to make your browser in the Firefox to be more organized. Let's say you can create the profile for the working purposes or entertainment purposes, or maybe in other stuff. And for example, this will be the default release, and also this is the working space, and there will be the profile for the entertainment to explore the AI, and also the real working space, for example. And for example, here I will create the profile, let's say for the football, and I will select the folder here, and I will make the new one, football, and select the folder. And after that, you can click this finish. And after that, this football profile gonna be ready to use. Start Firefox, and this will be the only profile of your browser in Firefox, just only for the watching about the football, guys. And you can simply close it. And after you open this firefox.exe here, so whenever you open this Firefox, there will be the confirmation which profile that you would like to use for today. And for example, I want to open it for the entertainment. You can select it and start Firefox like this. Well guys, you can also delete the profile. For example, I will delete or remove this football, select it and delete profile. And you will see there will be the confirmation and about the, let's say, the don't delete the profile, or delete the files only, or cancel. Which one do you prefer? So make sure you need to read the confirmation here. And for example, I will select this delete files, and this will be officially removed from our list of profile, guys. And you can also give the rename. For example, I will click this one, rename profile, and I will type here and click OK, and this will be ready to use. So that's all guys, this is how you add the multiple profiles for your Firefox browser. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.